Yeah, so at Curio, we have a certain amount outlined that we want to spend each month, and that might be, the same as a previous month or more, depending on, what's happening in that month. So, for example, if there's a month that we might think is going to perform very, very well, we might increase what our expected budget is. However, if we're starting to see success in a month, we'll also increase that budget ad hoc, and just so that we can try and maximize on our success. So what we really optimize for and what our success metrics are is that subscription. Like we obviously are an app product, so we care about installs, but if we get 5 million installs and one subscription, we'd rather have 100 installs and 100 subscriptions. So we're really optimizing for that subscription metric and then trying to improve the product itself as we're going on. So yeah, in terms of budgets, we try and keep them sustainable and scaled. With we actually have a big concentration on Facebook and Instagram at the moment, so the majority of it goes there, and then we try and just spend as much as we can within our budget each month. So at the moment, we really are only dipping our toes into any kind of brand awareness stuff. So a very small percentage of maybe 1% or something of our budget's going on brand awareness campaigns at the moment. The majority is going on developing our audience through app install campaigns. So we're trying out multiple different kind of creative directions constantly within the app install kind of campaign objective, but then optimizing them towards purchases. So we've got multiple levers that we can pull there, so we can and especially around geography, but the main one is creative, because depending on what the creative is, it's going to be shown to a completely different group of people actually. So we do that, and then we do small amounts of retargeting too. So we are fortunate again that we've got a huge catalog of content, so we're able to show the stories that we have on Curio to people on Facebook ads, so to bring them back in. So relevant stories for them on Toni Morrison or Yuval Noah Harari. We might show stories we have from those brilliant people in our ads.